Hello and welcome to Digit, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Victus by HP gaming laptop. So this variant has an AMD Ryzen 5 5600H and processor, and that's paired with an NVIDIA RTX 3050 graphics card. So quite a powerful combination. Let's go ahead and open this up and see exactly what you get in the box. Alright, so once you open up the box and take out everything, this is everything that you get in the box of this laptop. You get setup instructions right here. You get the laptop itself, of course. You get a 200 watt power brick and you get a power cable. So let me just tell you a little bit about the specs of this laptop. This laptop is powered by a 5th gen AMD Ryzen 5 5600H processor. It has a base clock speed of 3.3 GHz and it can go up all the way up to 4.2 GHz at Max Boost Clock. This processor is paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card. So that's a great combo. You got a 3050 paired with an AMD Ryzen 5 5600H. For RAM, it has 8 GB of DDR4 RAM and it has an inbuilt 512 GB M.2 SSD. The display, let me just go ahead and open it up. So the display is a 16.1 inch display and it's an FHD display. So it has a resolution of 1920 by 1080 and this has 60 Hz of refresh rate and it has a max brightness of 250 nits as claimed by the company. What else can I tell you about the laptop? So as you can see, it includes Microsoft Office Home and Student Edition. The keyboard, it's a full number keyboard, so you have the numpad here also, and you get a Victus logo at the back. There's this sort of design element over here, if you guys can see that. There you go, there's a Victus design element over there. For cooling, now this is obviously if you have a 3050 in here it's going to get hot and your gaming sessions are going to get pretty heated. So to keep this cool, you have rear vents all the way given at the back, and you also have two big fans underneath which are going to blow the hot air out. Let me tell you a little bit about the ports. So on the left side of the laptop, there you go. So you get a Kensington lock, you've got an Ethernet port, you have an HDMI port, there's a USB port and there's a Type-C port. So the Type-C port is pretty cool. You can get faster transfer rates with this. There's a 3.5mm audio jack for your headphones and you have an SD card reader. And on the other side, you get two USB ports. So quite the array of ports on this laptop. And that's pretty much it. So there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing of the Victus by HP gaming laptop. The model number of this is 16-E0076AX, and by the way, this laptop weighs around 2.5 kgs. So we hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.